So there's so much to know about your Tesla, the learning never stops. So in this video, I'm going to go over 7 tips and tricks that will simplify your life with Tesla, and I'm starting right now. So the first feature that I want to share with you is the Autopilot feature. With the Autopilot, whenever you're driving, you never know how much effort is really taking you in order to keep the car centered in its lane until you're driving a Tesla. It takes keeping the car in the lane and adaptive cruise control to a whole different level. In order to enable the Autopilot feature, you want to take your gear shift on the right hand side and you're going to pull it in 2 times. So to ensure that Autopilot does not automatically deactivate, you should move the steering wheel slightly from time to time. Normally it's about every 10 to 15 seconds. But did you know also you can keep the Autopilot engaged by strolling one of the wheels on the steering wheel from time to time, or pressing one of the buttons from time to time as you're driving the car, and that way your Autopilot will not disengage on you. And another feature that will simplify your life with Tesla is the camp mode. Now, camp mode will keep your car running. It will keep the HVAC running on the car. It will keep the charge port running, the music. Because one feature that I really love about camp mode is that when you put the car in camp mode, now the music on the outside of the car will not cut off whenever you close the door, which this come in handy whenever you're doing something outside, or if you're at the park washing your car, anything that you want to do on the outside of your car and you want the music to continuously play. So I'm not sure if you can hear it, but now the car media is working on the outside because I have camp mode on. I don't have music playing because I don't want a copyright strike, but let me take the mic and you can hear it.
New Zealand has just announced a plan to fight methane emissions.
So it is working. Now, another feature that you need to know about that will simplify your life with Tesla while driving is pulling up your windshield wiper settings. Now, to bring your settings up on your screen, what you would need to do, you can press the button on the turn leveler, which is on the left side of the steering wheel halfway. Then the setting for operating your wipers will appear on the display. And another thing to know about your Tesla that will simplify your life while driving your Tesla is pulling up the climate control. Yes, sometimes people say to go on and push on the number and you can pull up the climate control. But did you know that you can stroll up anywhere from the bottom, just swipe up one time and the climate control will display for you and your settings are right there. And another way that you can simplify your life while owning your Tesla is to add shortcuts to the bottom of your screen. You do now have the ability to add up to 5 shortcuts. So up to 5 shortcuts can be added to the bottom of your display screen. So this way you can have access to some of your Tesla favorites without going through menus or digging through different menus in order to pull up things like Netflix, Hulu, seat warmers, cameras, media. And the live camera feature while driving your Tesla, it will really simplify your life with Tesla. And I use this all the time, especially whenever I'm in those tight spaces, because when you're owning a Tesla, it's easy to get curb rash because the rims poke out from the wheels just a little bit. And you really never know how important it is to have a 360 view of your car whenever you're driving in those tight spaces. And another feature that will simplify your life with Tesla is the voice command features. Almost anything that you can do on the menu in your car can also be done with voice command. Make it warmer. Take me to the nearest supercharger. And there is also 18 other voice commands that you need to know about your Tesla. And I'm going to drop it right here on your screen. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here. And that way you don't miss another video. And I will see you in the next video.